Tired of your WhatsApp marketing feeling more like a headache than a helpful tool? Let's transform that frustration into efficiency by mastering Aisensy. First, head over to Aisensy's website and create your account. Choose the plan that best suits your business needs and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Now, let's get your contacts in order. Navigate to the contacts section and import your existing list from a CSV file or add them manually. Make sure your contacts are well organized using labels and custom fields for better segmentation. Time to automate your conversations. Go to the templates section here. You can create pre-approved message templates for various scenarios like welcome messages, order updates, or promotional offers. Remember, WhatsApp requires these templates to be pre-approved, so submit them well in advance. Next, let's set up some automations. Go to the Automations tab to set up the flow with automations. You can design automated sequences triggered by specific actions, like a customer sending a keyword. This ensures instant responses and a seamless customer experience. Ready to launch a campaign? Click on the Campaign section. Define your target audience based on the segments you created earlier. Select your pre-approved message template, set a sending schedule, and launch your campaign. Keep a close eye on your campaign performance using Aisensy's analytics dashboard. Track key metrics like delivery rates, open rates, and click-through rates to understand what's working and what needs improvement. And that's it. You've now mastered the basics of setting up and using Aisensy for effective WhatsApp marketing. Start experimenting with different features. Analyze your results and optimize your strategy for maximum impact. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.